Ready to supercharge your crypto trading but unsure how to get funds into your Coinbase account? Let's break down how to deposit money using a wire transfer, making it easy for anyone to add funds quickly and securely. First, log into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, look for the Add Funds button, typically found on your account dashboard. Click on it to start the deposit process. Now, you'll see different funding options. Select Wire Transfer. Coinbase will then display all the necessary information you'll need, including their bank name, address, account number, and most importantly, the unique reference code. Copy this information carefully. This reference code is crucial. It tells Coinbase that the money is coming from you. Without it, your deposit could be delayed or even lost, so double-check that you include it exactly as shown. Next, head over to your bank, either online or in person. Initiate a wire transfer using the Coinbase banking details and your unique reference code. Remember to check for any wire transfer fees your bank might charge. Wire transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days to process. After initiating the transfer, keep an eye on your Coinbase account. You'll see the deposit listed as pending until it's fully processed. Once the transfer is complete, you'll receive a notification and the funds will be available in your Coinbase account, ready for you to start trading. Now you're all set to explore the world of crypto with your newly deposited funds. Remember to check Coinbase's deposit limits and fees to ensure a smooth transaction.